Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to share how AI and XR technologies are transforming education and reshaping the way we create and experience content. In particular, I will introduce several real-world projects and educational cases from my perspective as both an educator and a researcher. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce myself. My work focuses on the intersection of AI, XR, education, and digital innovation. Through teaching, research, and industry collaboration, I explore how emerging technologies can create meaningful educational and societal impact. Today's presentation is based not only on research but also on practical experiences and outcomes from actual educational settings. Today's presentation consists of four main parts. First, I will discuss the recent evolution of AI technologies. Second, I will explain how AI and XR are converging to transform educational environments. Third, I will introduce several classroom projects and educational case studies. Finally, I will share my thoughts on the future of education in the age of AI and XR. We are currently experiencing a major technological shift driven by artificial intelligence. AI is no longer limited to automation. It is increasingly supporting creative processes and decision-making. Today's AI revolution can be characterized by four key elements: automation, personalization, adaptive intelligence, and measurable systems. When combined with XR technologies, these capabilities are fundamentally changing the learning experience. Traditional XR environments mainly focused on delivering static content. Today, AI enables XR systems to become intelligent and responsive. They can analyze user behavior, assess learning progress, and provide personalized content in real time. If XR creates immersive spaces, AI provides the intelligence that brings those spaces to life. AI is also transforming the entire XR production process. In the past, planning, design, modeling, and development were handled separately by different specialists. Today, AI can assist with image generation, video production, 3D asset creation, and even coding. As a result, production time is significantly reduced while creative productivity continues to increase. Students can now create professional-level content with far fewer technical barriers. In our courses, we actively utilize a variety of AI-powered platforms. These include image generation tools, video generation systems, 3D content creation platforms, and metaverse-based environments. The key point is not the tools themselves. What matters is the ability to rapidly test, refine, and implement ideas. Let me first introduce our XR content planning course. Students analyze social issues and user experiences, then develop XR-based service concepts. AI is used extensively during research, ideation, and visualization processes. The primary goal is to strengthen creative thinking and problem-solving skills. Students work on real-world project-based assignments. They conduct field research, interviews, and user analysis. Based on their findings, they design XR-based solutions to address identified challenges. In this process, AI serves as a tool that expands creativity and accelerates innovation. Students also create virtual environments using the spatial platform. Even those without programming experience can build immersive XR spaces. Through these projects, students learn spatial design principles and interactive user experience development. These educational experiences help students improve their problem definition skills and collaborative abilities. AI-assisted projects enable rapid prototyping and increase student engagement. Most importantly, students become creators rather than passive consumers of technology. The next example comes from our XR Content App course, which was offered this semester. While the XR Content Planning course was conducted in 2025, the projects presented here were developed during the spring 2026 semester. The XR Content Planning course focused primarily on idea development and service design. In contrast, the XR Content App course emphasized implementation and content production. In simple terms, the planning course asks, what should we create? While the app course focuses on, how can we build it? Students used AI tools to develop content, create prototypes, and gain hands-on production experience. Students produced a wide range of creative projects using AI technologies. These included character design, branding concepts, and interactive content experiences. AI accelerated the creative process and enabled students to explore ideas more efficiently. Students designed immersive virtual spaces and interactive experiences. Through these projects, they experienced the entire content development pipeline. The goal was to provide practical experiences similar to those found in professional industry environments. The future of education will be built upon integrated AI and XR ecosystems. AI tutors, XR learning spaces, learning analytics, and digital twin campuses will become interconnected. Students will receive highly personalized learning experiences, while educators will make data-driven decisions. We also participated in a government-supported entrepreneurship initiative called Startup for Everyone, where students proposed AR smart glasses service concepts. This demonstrates how AI and XR are expanding beyond education into entrepreneurship and industry innovation. Students are not simply learning technology, they are learning how to identify problems and design future services. Beyond education, these technologies also have significant implications for entrepreneurship, workforce development, public services, and national innovation ecosystems. AI and XR are becoming important platforms for sharing Korean culture with the world. For example, Psy's Gangnam Style became a global cultural phenomenon. Squid Game demonstrated the worldwide influence of Korean storytelling and entertainment. Artists such as BTS, Big Bang, and Blackpink have also played significant roles in expanding the global reach of Korean culture. More recently, Professor Kwon Ji-young, currently serving as a visiting professor at KAIST, represents another example of how culture, creativity, and technology can converge. Korea's success demonstrates how culture, technology, and creativity can work together to create global influence. AI and XR represent the next stage of this evolution. In the future, AI and XR will play a critical role in making K-culture more immersive and accessible to global audiences. I would also like to introduce a recent AI content competition held in June. Approximately 1,600 projects were submitted, and only 5 advanced to the final round. One of the key themes was humanoid fashion. Participants explored new forms of content by combining AI-generated creativity with future visions of fashion and human identity. This project highlighted how Seongsu-dong, often referred to as the trend capital of Seoul, and fashion platforms such as Musinsa can be integrated into AI-powered advertising and branding experiences. AI is evolving beyond a production tool and becoming a platform for participation, engagement, and experience design. I believe this area holds tremendous potential for future research and innovation. In addition to teaching and research, I currently serve as the director of the University Promotion Design Center. In 2025, we produced an AI-powered university promotional video. Using AI-based video production technologies, we were able to reduce production costs and development time while experimenting with new forms of storytelling. This project demonstrates how AI can be applied not only to education but also to institutional branding and communication. Today, we explored how AI and XR technologies are transforming education. AI enables personalized learning and creative production. XR provides immersive and engaging experiences. Together, these technologies will become essential infrastructure not only for the future of education, but also for innovation, entrepreneurship, and global collaboration. Thank you for your attention.